everyone, we're back with another short video on long-range planning. Today, we're diving into an important element of the comprehensive plan, the concept for future development. The concept for future development defines a vision that guides Fairfax County's future growth and development. To do this, the concept for future development describes the types of land uses that are appropriate for different geographic areas throughout the county. It also provides a foundation and framework for the area planning process. The concept for future development includes two pieces. First, the concept map, which shows the general location for future land uses. The second is the land classification system, which describes the 8 broad categories shown on the concept map. Still with me? All right, good. The land classification system is used to describe what we, as a county, want for the future of the different areas of the county. Let's go through these 8 broad categories one by one. Number 1, Tyson's Urban Center. This speaks specifically to the Tyson's area, which is a significant economic engine for the region. The vision for Tyson's Urban Center is a mixed-use, walkable urban center with diverse businesses, housing options, and plenty of opportunities for activities in public spaces. How buildings look and how streets and the transportation network are connected are all part of the vision. Number 2, suburban centers. These are areas where a lot of people work, sometimes called employment centers. They are often near major roadways. The vision for these evolving areas is to have a mix of office, retail, and residential uses. An example of this is the Fairfax Center, located next to the Route 50 and I-66 interchange. Number 3, community business centers. These are older commercial areas where redevelopment is encouraged. Annandale is an example of a community business center. Number 4, transit station areas. These encompass the area surrounding metro stations. The goal for these areas is to create a mix of activities surrounding them that are easy to walk to and make public transportation more accessible. The boundaries of these areas are shaped by how easy it is to get around and connect them to nearby neighborhoods. For example, the Huntington Transit Station area encompasses the area near the Huntington Metro Station. Number 5, industrial areas. The activity in these areas is closely monitored to limit their impact on nearby places and neighborhoods. Beltway South is an example of an industrial area spanning both sides of I-395 in the Springfield area. Number 6, suburban neighborhoods. These hold all kinds of different homes and can include parks, open spaces, and community-serving shopping centers. Number 7, low-density residential areas. Lot sizes are larger in these areas to limit environmental impacts. Suburban neighborhoods and low-density residential areas make up a large portion of the county, as you can see on the concept map. The 8th and final category is large institutional land areas. These areas include publicly owned land such as property owned by the Commonwealth or the federal government. Examples include Washington Dulles International Airport and George Mason University. For a full list of special planning areas and more information on the vision for each, visit our website at fairfaxcounty.gov. Thank you for tuning into our series of short videos on long-range planning. The Fairfax County Planning Division invites our residents and community members to continue engaging, making your voice heard, and helping form the vision for the future of Fairfax County.